All right, staying 3 nights at the Fontaine Bleau in a blue room. King. Wow, what a nice room. Probably one of the nicest rooms I've ever had in Vegas. You can see there, like really nice bathroom, like large soaking tub, water closet, nice size shower as well. Everything looks really nice in here. Nice big sink, big floor to ceiling mirror. Just everything looks really nice in here. The colors all work together and it's awesome. You got a big closet right here. Comes with some robes, some slippers. I know they're expensive, but this looks like the best snack bar I've ever seen in a Vegas hotel. Looks really nice. Just a lot of nice touches in this hotel room. What a nice place to stay. You got your pay drinks. And then you got your empty refrigerator as well. Nice size. And they provide you with stir sticks, corkscrew opener, and some nice glasses. We're on the 69th floor. Nice floor to ceiling windows. Got a view of the West Gate. And you got the Sphere in the background as well as the Wynn Golf Course and the strip you can see. I'll probably try and get you a nighttime view of it. And then yeah, looks really good. Bed's really nice. I'm really impressed with this room. Can't wait to see how it is for 3 nights. Let's test out the bed. It's really comfortable. All right, thanks a lot for watching.